Hi everyone, here we've got our DOOGEE X100 and let me show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So first of all, let's begin with some customization. In order to do that, simply open the list of apps, go to the settings, choose network and internet, and here we've got hotspot and tethering. So simply click on it and choose the Wi-Fi hotspot. As you can see, now it is off. To turn it on from this level, simply click on the switcher and now it is on. As you can see here, we've got some basic settings. We can set up Wi-Fi hotspot, so let's click on this, and as you can see, we can change the network name and the password. Let me pick show password, and of course you can customize it just like you want. What's more, you can also change the password, but remember it has to have at least 8 characters, and be sure that it is quite complicated. Let's click on save, and as you can see, it has been changed. What's more, you can also select AP band and maximum connections. Click on save, and here we've got some info about connected users or blocked ones. Now it is off and on again, and let's get back. This is how to customize the portable hotspot. What's more, after unrolling the top bar, here we've got the hotspot icon, the hotspot shortcut. Now it is on, but if you want to turn it off, simply tap on it. To turn on the hotspot, click on it again, and as you can see, from now on the hotspot is activated. So that's all. This is how to enable portable hotspot in your DOOGEE X100. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.